Here we have number 2. It's asking us to find the value of x. Notice these are all exterior angles. All the exterior angles, no matter what, will always add up to 360. This is a property that you're supposed to realize. Okay, so 90 is that red box plus 60 plus x plus 46 plus 73. That's going to be equal to 360 degrees. Let's combine all the like terms of 90, 60, 46, and 73. That gets me 269 plus x is equal to 360. Minus 269 to both sides. The left side cancels, leaving you with an x is equal to 91. Okay? This means this angle is 91 degrees. Understand that all the angles here have to add up to 360. So the more exterior angles, the smaller the value of each exterior angle is. Right? So let's do this one. No matter what, all the exterior angle is going to add up to 360. We have 89 plus 3x plus 116 plus 92. Right? 89 plus 116 plus 92. That is 297. Bring down the 3x. We're going to set this equal to 360. Minus 297 to both sides. This does cancel, leaving you with the 3x is equal to 63. Here now we're going to divide because that 3 is in front with multiplication. So we're going to divide by 3 to both sides. X is equal to 21. Okay. If you want to get the angle, you would have to plug it back in. Next, C, x plus 110 is going to be equal to 360. X plus x is 2x. Bring everything else down. We have a 110 on the left, so we're going to minus 110 to both sides. This cancels, leaving with a 2x is equal to 360 minus 110. This gets you 250. Divide 2 to both sides. 2 cancels, leaving you with an x is equal to 125. There you go.